So this is our door, Heron 213. So right now we just have our Valentine's Day stuff still up, but Abby and Kelly, our little mat, says welcome. Welcome. My nasty toes right now. You walk in, we lock the door always, you know, being safe. First thing, we made this little thing for our keys. These are my Stranger Things keys. Okay, this is the mirror. That is bent. We have a bent mirror. So it just started, but it's okay. We have our phone numbers on there. We're not done talking about that. The trash can, it's full right now because we just did a bunch of cleaning, but trash can. This is my dresser. So there's all my clothes in it and all this kind of stuff. We have my Keurig. We share this microwave. It's just a K because this is my dresser, but share the microwave, salt and pepper, her mug, my friend's Central Park mug. We covered our little like weird phone connection. This is just our normal dresser, and I will start with my side of the room. So this is my desk. This is my desk. It's got my mini ears, hanging them up. These are just my decorations, my verse of the day, random things, pictures of my friends, you know, water bottle, my friends on my desk, all this kind of stuff, little pencils, nail polish, calendar, all that kind of stuff. Printer, things in the drawers. This is my desk chair, my trash can down there. And then my beanbag chair, be our guest, really nice. It's fun when we watch movies. We put stuff up here, and then we watch movies from like on the carpet, really nice carpet. Got the that's trash. I got the carpet from Target. Most of my stuff is from Target or Urban Outfitters. This is my bedding. This is from Urban Outfitters. Most of my bedding and my blankets and everything are from Urban Outfitters. Pillows and stuff are from Disney. I ordered that off of Society 6. It's Ocean's the song. Society 6. The Treat People with Kindness is Society 6. That's called that is called a tapestry. The tapestry is Society 6. All the pictures of my friends. The hanging lights are from Target. Have my hats just hanging off the side. Guitar case. There's Abby's stuff. We'll get to that in a second. Keyboard under here. You know, we had to loft it a little bit so I can get all my stuff. My refrigerator. All the Mickey Mouse stickers. Just my coffee, everything. Not very pretty right now, but I have that space. Well, the drawer organizers for my food and little things. That's just my purse and stuff back there. And then that's from Target. We put it together. My dad put it together. So that's my side of the room. We just have some. It's very pink, and I never in my life would have thought it would be pink, but there's my side of the room, and here's Abby's side of the room. She has all this kind of stuff. I don't know where her stuff is from or anything. It's really cute, very pretty. We have that chair that we always use. Her guitar, her dresser, her all that stuff. But here's our little window. We get to look outside. It's very nice outside. We get the cute poster. Here's our stuff for all of our makeup and all that kind of jazz. This is more stuff for our toothbrushes and stuff, and here's another mirror for the bathroom. That, towels, everything. That, okay. This is our bathroom. Nice bath. This is just where we put messages or anything that we want to put, and Emily's favorite. Bathroom, we always also have Snowflake with Guppy, you know, to be festive. And also to be festive when you find streamer in the trash can and put it in your bathroom. Yes, correct. And then just the bathtub and the curtains and all of our stuff and all that kind of stuff. And Emma's room is in there. You know, one of them isn't in there right now, but that's Emily and Emma's room. And we're sweet mates, and we have so much fun in here, and we're gonna miss it so much because we're gonna miss all the fun times in this little freshman dorm, and we're sad, but also excited, but also sad because, you know, summer, but like we get to leave all our friends, which is really sad. We have this closet. It's just a walk-in closet with all of our stuff, you know. So that's our room. That's the room tour. It's a kind of a short video, but hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe down below. I know I don't say that very much, but I'm trying to be better at it. Like and subscribe down below, and go check out one of my last videos if you want. Shout out right now to my roommate, Abby. put her Instagram here because she's letting me videotape all of our stuff, even though she had a fridge there, but we're moving things out right now. Shout out her, and then my other roommates, Emma and Emily, I'll put their stuff right here too. But all right, so thank you for watching. We're gonna miss it, but we're excited to go home, but we're not. And I'll also do, I know this is a late room tour, but better late than never.